Alright, so here goes the RCA air conditioner running on a 92-degree sunny day. It's humid outside too. Sorry about the music. I'm not gonna turn off my radio though, so be it. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's hot outside. It's humid. You know, it's beautiful out there. It's blowing ice cold and it's 92 degrees outside. Imagine that. A modern unit blowing cold in hot weather. I'm surprised. Appetite, but it's alright. If you guys want to know what the song is, it's called Cameo Candy. I'll put the song in the description. We are actually supposed to be getting some thunderstorms later in the day. I don't know if that's true, but that's what they said. So, I mean, every time they say we're gonna get thunderstorms, it's either a little bit of rain or not, or no thunderstorms at all, or some thunderstorms. We'll see. I mean, the clouds are actually starting to get darker. Those look like storm clouds to me, but only time will tell. Alright, I'm done.